On the Research and Inquiry tab, you create group projects associated with that lesson and monitor students' progress. To access, click Writing and Research on the navigation banner and select Research and Inquiry. Current topics are listed on the left side of the Research and Inquiry tab in Assigned Projects view. The Comments icon indicates that there are new comments. Select the title to view that project and its discussion. The original project description is listed at the top, along with any resources you attached, with a discussion located below. Click the View Lesson button to open the lesson the project is associated with. The current status of all students assigned to this project is listed next. Click Details to view anything that has been submitted. Enter any comments you have in the Comments to Student field. Postings to the discussion are arranged by date, with the most recent on top. Click Show Comments to view the comments. These respond directly to a particular posting. This discussion is only visible to students that are part of this project team. Only they will see the discussion on the Projects tab on their Writing and Research page. Project information will be on their to-do lists. You can create a new posting at the top of the discussion. When you click the Submit button, it immediately appears as part of the current discussion. Click the Comment button to respond directly to a posting. Click the Delete button to remove a posting from the discussion thread. If you delete a posting, it will also remove all the comments associated with it. To create a new project assignment, select Available Projects from the View drop-down list. Available projects are general topics related to the current unit and week that you use to create project assignments. Select an available topic and click the Assign button. Make any desired change to the project name and description, and determine when the project starts and when it is due. Additional resources can be added by clicking the Edit button in the Resources area. Next, create a team to assign the project to by entering a team name. The team name will identify this project group from the others in the class. Next, select the students that will be assigned to this project team. You can also create a project team from existing student groups. Click the Assign button to assign the project to the selected students. Projects appear on the selected students' to-do lists, as well as on the Projects tab on their Writing and Research page. This concludes our guide to Research and Inquiry projects. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Wonders program.